How to use layout for stories on Instagram. This is the part that we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile. Then go to the your story option up above. As you click on the your story option, then go on the camera option. As you go on the camera option, then you will have three options down here. First one will be the font. If you want any text to be added on your story or video, you can add it from here. Then there will be a boomerang, and then there will be an option of layout. If you want to apply the layout, click on the layout option. As you click on the layout option, you can see it has given me 3 or 4 grid in which I can add 4 different photos on my Instagram. Now I can take 4 different photos by 4 different clicks, and then when I have ended that, I can also edit the video or photo that I want, or I can just put them on the stories or my feed, whatever I want to put them on. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put them down in the comment section, and also make sure to hit the like button. Thanks and have a nice day.